Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. So at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to do this kind AI effect with your brand or anything that you want to do. I will teach you how to do that. So stick close, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you click on the like and notification button so that you can subscribe for more videos. So let's go to the tutorial. So just type to Google Bing. So Bing, just click like this. If you are doing it for the first time, click like this, then it's going to bring something like this. So make sure you scroll down and click on this Bing image creator. So can you see now? Click on this and it's going to bring it. It's going to tell you to log in or to sign up. So after signing up, you'll be able to see something like this. This 11 that is here, if you are just starting, it's going to bring 15. So that means you can do this just 15 times a day. Now it is not something that is hard. You just need to put some prompts for this AI to create any image that you want for you. So for example, let's do it like this. Create so then you click on create, and you can also put this photo realistic. Then you click photo realistic, then you click on create. So you wait for some minutes, for some seconds rather, then it's going to create it for you. So let's wait. Yes, our image is ready. Can you see? So our image is ready. So you can just click on this download. No, click on here and click on download. Can you see that it has been downloaded? You go back, you can, at least it's going to create like 4 for you. So you click on it, then you download. So let it load first, then you download. Can you see now? Then you download. So that's how you can do it. Can you see now? Sometimes it will not bring it the way you want it if you did not put this text accordingly. If you don't have idea on how to craft things for this AI, you know that this is AI and it is not human being. So you will look for a way to create a prompt that will allow this AI to bring the idea that you want. So if you want more prompt text that you can use to generate a converting AI image, click on the description below so that you can join my Telegram group. I'll be able to give you up to 40 prompt AI image generator so that you'll be able to use it for your clients and all of that. Click on it now and join. I'll see you on the other side.